How to fix printer settings could not be saved error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the printer troubleshooter. The built-in Windows troubleshooter can often identify and solve many common printer problems. It checks for common issues and tries to resolve them automatically. Fix 2. Restart Print Spooler. The Print Spooler is a software program in Windows that manages all print jobs. If it's experiencing problems, it may lead to printing errors. Click on Private to expand more options. Enable both network discovery and file and printer sharing options. Next, click on Guest or Public, and enable network discovery and file and printer sharing as well. Finally, click Save Changes. Windows updates often include bug fixes and improvements to system stability, including printer drivers and related software. Ensuring your system is up to date can solve many printer-related issues.